years old. My grandma is 70 years old. She is doing cooking. Then my parents say I will do gardening, hiking, and reading when I'm 70 years old. But I think I will do cooking, baking, sports, and cube when I'm 70 years old. First, I like cooking because I study cooking from my mom, and cooking is funny. I was happy when my family say your food is very delicious, so I like cooking. But I don't like fire. Second, I like sports. So, for example, t-ball, dodgeball, and soccer. But I not good job to sports. I only like sports. Sports rule is some hard. Third, I good job to do cube because I study cube and I teach some on the cube. It's 5 seconds to finish cube. And cube is very easy. I have 33 cubes. In conclusion, I think I will do cooking, baking, sports, and cube because I like cooking, I like sports, and I good job to do cube.